In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. This integration will help you streamline your workflow, allowing for seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Login button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will open up your login options. If you usually log in through Google, you'll want to select the Continue with Google option. This method allows for quick and secure access to your ClickUp workspace. Once you've logged in, ensure you're in the correct workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, choose the one where you want the GitHub integration to occur. In the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on Apps. This is where you'll manage all integrations and additional apps within ClickUp. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type in GitHub. This will filter the available apps, showing you only what's relevant. After you see GitHub in the search results, click on it to start the integration. You'll be prompted with a Connect button. Don't hesitate to click this. It's a simple process that opens the door to new productivity tools. You'll now be taken to a GitHub login page. Again, if you're already logged in through Google, click on Continue with Google. This ensures that your ClickUp account obtains permission to connect seamlessly with your GitHub repositories. Once you complete the login process, you'll see a confirmation page. Click the Done button to finalize your integration setup. This step signifies that the integration process has been a success. Finally, go back to your ClickUp workspace. Here, you should now see that GitHub is listed under your connected apps. You can click on Connected to review or adjust any settings related to this integration. And that's it. With GitHub now integrated into your ClickUp account, you can start using ClickUp tasks in tandem with your GitHub projects. This integration allows you to create more dynamic workflows, enhancing both task management and code collaboration between your team members. I hope this walkthrough has made the integration process clear and simple. By utilizing the combined power of ClickUp and GitHub, you'll find task management and development processes to be more streamlined and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy productivity.